Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I figured to just sit down here, get ready with you guys, and I'm just gonna get ready and basically tell you guys step by step on how I do on my regular days whenever I plan to go to a place or visit a friend or do whatever I have to do. And this is basically how I will get ready. So before I start the video, you guys already know, if you are new here on my channel, welcome to my channel. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And if you are subscribed already, welcome back. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and apply on my face is my primer. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys already know that I've been using this baby ever since I reviewed it on my other video. And I just been loving this primer because it definitely minimizes your pores. It leaves your skin very blurry, very seamlessly. And me, I've noticed that I have a lot of pores. Since I'm an oily person, my pores tend to be more visible and everything. So when I apply this primer, my pores just disappears. It doesn't disappear completely, but this primer basically it helps it be less visible, and I just love that. And today I am going to one of my co-workers house, and I'm gonna go ahead and redo my nails because it's been a journey, guys. My nails has been growing so much, so it's definitely time for me to get it done. Next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is do my brows. So I'm gonna grab my brow brush and I'm going to brush my hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Milani brow pomade, and I'm just going to basically define my brows, and then I'm going to start filling in my brows. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. The foundation I'm gonna be using is the e.l.f. foundation, and this is in the shade Linen. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face. And using my sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation. I don't know you guys, but obviously I watch beauty influencers on YouTube, but none of them say how much this foundation smells. Like, it smells like perfume, you know? And don't get me wrong, the foundation is beautiful, but I don't understand why you have to add like fragrance on a foundation. It doesn't need fragrance. A foundation doesn't need fragrance. I gotta be careful not to dirty my sweater. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. The bronzer I'm gonna be using is the NYX bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium. And grabbing my brush, I'm going to dip into this baby and start bronzing my face. And don't forget your jawline. Sometimes you gotta be careful with this bronzer because it's very pigmented. And I'm also gonna go ahead and contour my nose, grabbing the bronzer and grabbing an angle brush. And then grabbing my sponge, I'm just going to blend out the contour. So this makes it blend out the contour and also makes it seem like I don't have a straight line going through my nose. Now what I'm gonna do is apply my concealer, and the concealer that I'm gonna go with is the e.l.f. concealer, and this is in the shade medium warm. So I really like to go in with my nose and blend the concealer there, and then start blending it outwards. So this will make the illusion of your face going like making your face long. It's just a way for you to manipulate the face. Then going back with my contour brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my concealer just so that there's no harsh line going on. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer, and using my translucent powder from Laura Mercier, I'm gonna apply this basically where I apply my concealer. And what I'm doing right now is sculpting my nose using the translucent powder. So whenever I say sculpting, guys, I mean baking. I will try to use baking instead of sculpting because sometimes it's confusing. But yeah, I'm gonna also bake under my cheek. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadows. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out. So what I'm gonna do is basically prime my eyelids, and what I like to use is this baby right here. This is the P. Louise primer, and this is in the base Rumor 01. And what I'm gonna do is apply it right here, and I'm going to grab a clean brush just to blend out the base. I think I put a lot, so I'm just going to put some right here as well. Alright guys, so going with this palette, this is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade right here, which is called Caliente. I'm going to apply it as a transition shade and start applying it right here. Alright guys, so now that you apply that shade, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush and apply this shade right here, which is called Fuego. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease just for me to add like a shimmer shade in my inner corner. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the P. Louise base again. And this time I'm going to apply it right here on my hands. Going with this shimmer shade, which is called Paraíso. This shimmer shade is literally Paraíso, guys. Like, it's so beautiful. Alright guys, so just to darken my outer corner a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and use Caliente again, and I'm going to start like applying it on my outer corner. Okay guys, so this next step, I'm not sure if it's going to come out good or if I'm going to ruin my makeup, but I want a eyeshadow that matches my sweater. So going with the Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to apply this pastel light blue color right here, and this shade is called Brain Freeze. Alright guys, so we're almost done with the eyes. The last thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply my lashes. So the one that I'm gonna go ahead and use today, it's from Lily Lashes in the style Miami. I already opened this baby up, so I'm reusing it, and honestly this lashes is perfect because it's very lightweight and you don't feel like you have a heavy lash in your eyes. So I definitely love this whenever I don't want anything heavy on my eyes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to color my waterline right here on top. And this is going to basically make the illusion that my falsies are real and there's no gap in between my real lashes and my falsies. Alright you guys, so that is how I apply my lashes. So now the last thing I'm gonna do is basically apply my mascara underneath my lash. So grabbing my Milani mascara, I'm going to apply it. Now that the eyes is complete, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face. So I'm going to apply my blush, and the blush that I'm going to be using is this baby right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush. And going with the Benefit highlighter, this is the Cookie highlighter. And I absolutely love this highlighter because first of all, the highlight, it's very secure inside this package, and it has a mirror, so if you're on the go, you could just grab your highlighter and highlight the cheekbone of your face. So overall, I love this highlight. So using this highlighter, I'm going to apply it right here. So last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and that will be the end of this makeup. And for my lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Milani lip liner. This is the Understatement lip liner in the shade 110 Nude Entrance. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use the NYX lipstick, and this is in the shade Dainty Days. Okay guys, so this is the complete look of this makeup for today. I think that it came out absolutely so beautiful, and the blue eyeshadow underneath my eyes. At first I was scared to put that color because it was just going to be a random color, but I think that it came out really nice. Thank you my loves if you made it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup get ready with me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I know that in my previous videos I mentioned that if we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing 2 special giveaways for 2 special winners, and I can't wait until that happens so I could announce the giveaway for you my loves. But yeah, so stay tuned. We're almost to 500, so if you're watching this and you want to help your girl out, go ahead and share my video, subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video. And yeah my loves, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.